Deep Search Pro app. So here is how it looks like when you upgrade to Pro. So they have right now quite a good deal where you can upgrade for $2 per week and then each next week $7, but it's enough for you just to try it out. So with the Pro version, you can search any name, not just celebrities. So for example, I just searched some like test name, and then what it finds. So I just search for Andrew John, like for example. Then it finds Instagram sources, additional sources. You can find all the Instagram and social media accounts related to that person. Then there is answer. So there are several prominent individuals named Andrew John, each making significant contributions in their respective fields. So you can see here, that's basically what it is. And then you can see related. And then you can see some additional questions, and it takes some time to generate it, and that's it. So now you can see specific, okay, you just selected one person from that, and then that's how it works. Then you can just ask a follow-up. Then you can also go and share it. I don't know, can you save the search? So that's what it is. And then, yeah, so there you have it. So now, all right, so now you have your history. There is feedback, there is username. And then, yeah, you just have it like this in here. Tell me the full biography of someone. You can also now ask like specific questions. So then you can just have this. You're only getting like 1,000 search credits, so it's not unlimited usage. And I guess, so now, so that's the idea in here. And so yeah, that's just what it is. And that's what you have. I don't know how to check how many credits you used and so on. And also another thing is like, should you upgrade? You know, as I can see, it only searches like well-known people on the internet. So if you plan to use it for dating profiles, if you're dating some person which is not known on the internet and so on, then yeah, it probably can be quite complicated. If there is, maybe this app will just find their social media profiles, their Instagram profile, their Twitter account, that's it. But it's quite hard to find out a lot of information about that person if there is not a lot of info online. Basically, this app is just summarizing all the online info in one easy view. Instead of without it, you need to do it yourself and search like 20 websites. Here, you just have everything in one app. So yeah, you just have it like that. So yeah, there you have it. So that's the idea.